just to emphasize the benefits of a out of cage perch. I know I've done this before, but I've taught Blue that a basking spot is a safe place, that underneath a lamp like this one, he is not going to be picked up or messed with too much. Actually, he rarely gets picked up on a basking spot. So, you see, he is completely calm and okay with me touching him while he's on the basking spot, because he knows this is about as far as it's going to go. When he's up here on his perch, I leave him up here and let him hang out until he climbs down from the top. When he's down here, I'll get him off. I'll pick him up. But I very rarely pick him up from under here. Just like in his cage on his regular basking spot that's 120, 130 degrees, I leave him alone when he's up there. I pet him, but I do not get him down. I only pet him up there because he's used to being pet, and I'm getting him more used to it. But they don't like being picked up. Even a really docile savanna monitor will be annoyed with being picked up. They're not an arboreal species. A more arboreal species like an iguana or a tree monitor will enjoy being picked up a little more, maybe even climb up you. While savanna monitors can be taught to be more submissive about it, being picked up, not their favorite thing. So it's best to have them a safe place or a lap to sit where they're not going to be picked up. They don't like sitting on your arms. They aren't happy sitting on a tree branch. They'd rather sit on a big flat rock. They're more comfortable that way. That's why he has his hammock. He loves it. So yeah, basking spot safe places. Good thing for docile monitors.